The Big Bad Wolf, or you could call it the Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, let's just do here. One day, a little girl was walking through the forest. Her name was Little Red Riding Hood. She was going to visit her grandma with a basket of food. The basket and Little Red Riding Hood. Red, 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 red. The Big Bad Wolf was hiding behind a tree in the forest. He saw Little Red Riding Hood with her basket. "Grrr!" he growled. "I'm hungry. I want to eat all the food in the basket." He ran fast to Grandma's house and he knocked on the door. Knock, knock, knock. Grandma was very frightened when she saw the wolf. Grandma ran into her bedroom. "The wolf is coming," she cried. "Where can I hide?" She hid from him just in time, so she'd hide in the closet. The wolf put on some Grandma's clothes. Then he got into her bed. Soon Little Red Riding Hood knocked on the door. "Come in," called the wolf from Grandma's bedroom. Here he had Grandma's clothes. He doesn't even look like. Little Red Riding Hood cried. "Oh, Grandma, what big ears you have!" The wolf said. "All the better to hear you with, but Grandma, what big eyes you have!" cried Little Red Riding Hood. "All the better to see what's in your basket." "What is in your basket?" said the wolf. "Oh, Grandma, what big ears you have!" Little Red Riding Hood cried. "But Grandma, what big teeth you have!" The wolf growled. "All the better to eat the food in your basket." Little Red Riding Hood ran to the window to get help. He saw her father in the forest. "Help, Dad, help me!" she called. "Help, Dad, help me!" What big teeth he had. Huh? Wait, what? Yep. Her father ran inside the house to help Little Red Riding Hood. Grandma said, "Thank you. You got here just in time. Let's see what's in the basket." Are you... The end. Recorded with Screencast-O-Matic.